Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID could not sign in your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we try to sign in. As you can see, it could not sign in. Try signing in. So let's go to the fix. Open App Store. Type in the App Store icon. Sign in your Apple ID. As you can see, my Apple ID has been signed in successfully in the App Store. Type on done and now check in the settings. As you can see, here is also Apple ID sign in. So thanks for watching.